Module 2. Tools, equipment, and components for CCTV and smart automation. Module Overview. Before any CCTV or smart automation project can begin, a technician or installer must have the right set of tools, components, and accessories. The efficiency, quality, and safety of any installation depend heavily on the preparedness and selection of tools and materials. This module dives deep into the essential tools, devices, and equipment required for CCTV installations and how they integrate into smart automation systems. The module not only identifies these tools but also explores their functions, handling, safety considerations, compatibility, and maintenance practices. A professional installer must understand that quality equipment equals quality output. Cutting corners with inferior tools or components often results in poor performance, short lifespan, and frequent maintenance calls. 1. Categories of tools and equipment. A. Basic hand tools. These are the everyday tools that a CCTV installer must always carry. Screwdrivers, flathead, Phillips, star, used for opening DVR/NVR cases, mounting cameras, and securing fittings. Pliers, needle nose, combination, cutting pliers, used for gripping, bending, and cutting wires. Adjustable wrench, tightening nuts and bolts during mounting. Tape measure, for accurate alignment and distance measurement. Spirit level, ensuring that cameras are mounted at the right angle without tilt. B. Specialized electrical tools. Cable stripper, removes insulation from cables without damaging conductors. Crimping tool, used to attach connectors, RJ45, BNC, RJ11, etc., to cables. Punch-down tool, for terminating cables in patch panels and keystone jacks. Multimeter checks voltage, current, and resistance to troubleshoot power supply issues. Cable tester, verifies integrity and connectivity of network and coaxial cables. C. Installation and mounting equipment drill machine, and drill bits, for boring holes into walls, ceilings, and poles. Hammer and chisel, for chasing walls and surface preparation. Ladders/scaffolds, essential for accessing high mounting points safely. Mounting brackets, anchors, and screws to hold cameras and devices firmly. D. Networking equipment, smart automation plus IPCCT systems. Ethernet cables, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat7, core of modern CCTV and smart systems. RJ45 connectors, used to terminate network cables. Switches, PoE and non-PoE, distribute power and data across devices. Routers and access points, enable remote monitoring and control of smart devices. Patch panels and racks for organized cabling. E. Power tools and supplies, power drills and screw guns, to speed up large installations. Power extension cords, temporary power during installation. Uninterruptible power supply, UPS, ensures CCTV keeps working during power cuts. Power adapters, 12-volt DC, 24-volt AC, standard for most cameras. Power distribution box, central power management system for multiple devices. F. Personal protective equipment, PPE, safety helmet, protects from falling debris. Safety harness when working at height. Protective gloves when handling cables and sharp edges. Safety goggles during drilling, cutting, or soldering. Ear protection when using loud drilling or cutting machines. 2. C. CTV-specific components, EIULE. Cameras, dome cameras, discrete, often ceiling-mounted. Bullet cameras, long-range outdoor monitoring. PTZ cameras, pan, tilt, zoom. Movable, remote-controlled. IP cameras, transmit via network cables. Thermal/infrared cameras, for night vision and low-light areas. B. Recorders DVR, digital video recorder, for analog CCTV systems. NVR, network video recorder, for IP-based systems. C. Cables and wiring. Coaxial cables, RG59, RG6, for analog video signals. Ethernet cables, Cat5e, Cat6, for IP cameras and smart systems. Fiber optic cables. For long-distance, high-speed installations. D connectors, B and C connectors, used in coaxial CCTV setups. RJ45 connectors, used in IP CCTV systems. Power connectors, DC jacks, terminals. For powering devices. 3. Smart automation specific equipment, IBCATE. Smart controllers and hubs, smart hubs, connect and manage smart devices. IoT gateways, bridge communication between sensors and the internet. B. Smart sensors and devices, motion sensors, trigger cameras or alarms. Smart locks, integrated with access control systems. Smart lighting, automatically controlled for energy efficiency. Voice assistants, Alexa, Google Home, integrate with smart CCTV monitoring. C. Power and backup systems. Solar panels provide off-grid energy for cameras, inverters and batteries for uninterrupted power supply. 4. Cable management and aesthetic considerations, conduits and trunking. Protect wires from damage and weather. Cable ties and clips keep wiring neat and professional. Labeling tools for easy troubleshooting. 5. Best practices for tools and equipment. Handling always use genuine tools and certified components. Maintain tools regularly, e.g. sharpen drill bits, calibrate testers. Store tools in a toolbox or tool bag for easy transport. Always test equipment before leaving the installation site. Follow safety protocols at all times.